now 82-year-old, since last year, feeling of tiredness, I see much increase. So you see more activities in different continent, in different country. I may not sort of participate. So I brought to my, trusted colleagues, not colleague, student. No. You know, since I retired from political responsibility, 2001, the Professor Samdorumchi then took the responsibility. So since then, is at the initial stage. So next 10 years, my position is a semi-retired position. Then 2011, this person elected. Then I totally now retired from political responsibility. So these, I can say my trusted friend, and also they knows my thinking. So now, although Rinpoche also, you see, now today his hair shift, so otherwise it's a complete white. I'm older, but still a lot of black.
Yeah.
So, because you see, our work continuously should be more active and sort of more meeting like that. So these two persons, I have full trust. You see, they, if your side and also concerns of government side, okay, then you see these two persons, either one, you see, can participate as my representative or my personal sort of emissary, like that.
So in November of 2017, His Holiness was giving talk to a lot of, there were a group of foreign students from all over the world, youth leaders. And I had just had a darshan, I was driving down, and His Holiness, through his office, called me up, and I went to that meeting, and His Holiness said, now I'm aging, and from now on, I won't travel much, but there are two people who knows me and who can reflect and represent me and he made us stand up, and Samdor Rinpoche, my predecessor, and myself. It's these two people will, they understand fully my thoughts, my thinking. They will reflect and represent me, around the world. So this is not a formal appointment per se, but then that has dawned on me that I must do everything in my life to reflect and as best as I could to represent His Holiness thinking, his vision, around the world. And this is 90th birthday. We all are, all the Tibetans are contributing in our own small ways to celebrate and honor His Holiness Dalai Lama. And my contribution is to have a very hectic schedule for next 4 months, and talk about His Holiness vision, reflect him. This is my way of wishing him happy birthday, and at the same time pray that he lives long, and then definitely his legacy should carry on, and then should spread around the world, like Buddha did, like Mahatma Gandhi did, like great leaders do, right? So this is my job. So this is what I'm trying to do.